Are you tired of living in a home that's as cold as a polar bear's nose? Do you constantly have to wear 3 layers of clothing just to stay warm? Well, fear not, my freezing friend, because INSUL is here to save the day. INSUL is the superhero of home insulation. It's like wrapping your house in a giant snuggie. No more drafty windows, no more icy floors, and no more shivering under your blankets like a scared little chihuahua. With INSUL, you can finally enjoy the warmth and coziness of a home that's well insulated. You'll feel like you're living in a giant hug from your grandma. And who doesn't love a good grandma hug? So say goodbye to the days of bundling up like an Eskimo just to watch TV, and say hello to INSUL. Your home will thank you, your wallet will thank you, and your frozen toes will definitely thank you. Have you heard about the INSUL living system? It's Australia's latest and greatest way to build a zero-energy home. And let me tell you, it's quicker, leaner, smarter, and greener than a kangaroo on a treadmill. With INSUL Living, you'll have a thermal shell so good, you'll think you're living in a koala's pouch. And forget about feeling the heat or the cold, because INSUL Living has got you covered like a crocodile in a swamp. But that's not all. You'll have the design freedom to create your dream home, all while saving money and energy. It's a win-win situation, like finding a shrimp on the Barbie. And let's not forget about the INSUL, a load-bearing insulated wall panel that's tougher than a drop bear. Developed by BlueScope Steel and Dulux Acrytex, this bad boy is a game-changer in the building industry. With its unique prime-coated BlueScope Steel technology, you can paint, render, or clad it to your heart's desire. It's like having your cake and eating it too, just like Vegemite on toast. So, whether you're building a new home, renovating, or going modular, INSUL Living has got your back like a loyal mate. And just look at how great it looks once in place. It's a beauty, like the Sydney Opera House. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to traditional building methods and hello to INSUL, living the Aussie way to live green, save money, and have a good laugh while doing it. Cheers! G'day folks, let's talk about Marshall's concrete and brick paving stones. They're like the Vegemite of the landscaping world. Versatile, long-lasting, and oh so delicious. Well, maybe not delicious, but you get the point. Installing pavers correctly requires patience, planning, and skills that are tougher than a kangaroo in a boxing match. Luckily, these workers have got it covered like a koala in a eucalyptus tree. The 2 most important things about the base material are that it remains strong when compacted and drains properly. Because let's face it, no one wants a yard that looks like a swamp, unless you're into mud wrestling with the wallabies. The workers make sure to adjust the height and leave an even finish, like a true artist creating a masterpiece. They're like the Picasso of pavers, ensuring the finished project is flawless and without any dips or bumps. And let's not forget about the sand, the unsung hero of the paver world. Without it, the pavers are likely to shift and sink over time, resulting in an uneven and messy surface. It's like trying to do the hula hoop without a waist, it just won't work. But fear not, the sand keeps the pavers in place like a good mate, preventing unnecessary replacements and repairs. It's like having a loyal dog that keeps your yard in check. Laying pavers may seem easy compared to all the work that's already been done, but it's like trying to put a puzzle together without the picture on the box. It takes skill and precision to ensure everything fits together perfectly. And let's not forget about re-sanding before sealing. It's like a day at the spa for your pavers, keeping the joints stable, leveled, and preventing them from becoming loose and wobbly like a kangaroo on a pogo stick. Thanks to their properties, Pavers can last over 40 years, longer than the lifespan of a koala. So, if you want a yard that looks its best, go with Marshall's concrete and brick paving stones. Your yard will thank you, and you'll feel like the king or queen of the outback. Ahoy there! Are you ready to take the plunge into the world of shipping container homes? Look no further than MULTITAINER, the experts in the field of innovative and sustainable living. If you're not familiar with shipping container homes, let us enlighten you. They're dwellings made from large, reusable intermodal containers that are used to transport goods. And while they might not seem like the most glamorous building material, they're quickly gaining popularity as an alternative to traditional multi-bedroom houses. There are many advantages to choosing a shipping container home over a traditional home. For one, they're incredibly durable. They're built to withstand harsh weather conditions and can withstand heavy loads. After all, they're designed to hold and transport cargo across the ocean. Shipping container homes are also extremely cost-effective. With a starting price of just $10,000, you can own your own unique and modern living space for a fraction of the cost of a traditional home. But perhaps the biggest advantage of a shipping container home is the endless opportunities for customization. You can use a single container for a cozy and compact living space, or combine multiple containers to create a multi-level masterpiece. And that's where MULTITAINER comes in. We're a company dedicated to the sale of maritime containers, both standard and modular. With more than 10 years of experience in the Paraguayan market, we're experts in the field of shipping container homes. Our team of skilled professionals is here to help you bring your container home dreams to life. We'll work closely with you to understand your needs, preferences, and budget to create a space that perfectly suits your lifestyle. And the best part? Our fast and efficient contractors can have your shipping container home ready in under a month. That means you'll be enjoying your new sustainable living space in no time. At MULTITAINER, we're committed to providing our clients with the best service, advice, and support throughout every step of the process. We're here to answer your questions, guide you through the design process, and ensure that your container home is everything you've ever wanted and more. So, if you're ready to embark on a new adventure and embrace sustainable living, give MULTITAINER a call today. We can't wait to help you create the container home of your dreams. If you're looking for an exterior cladding solution that combines durability, ease of installation, and a natural wood effect finish, look no further than Fortex by Freefoam. Fortex is a range of embossed PVC cladding boards designed to provide a long-term decorative solution for your building or renovation project. One of the key advantages of Fortex cladding is its low maintenance requirements. Unlike traditional timber cladding, Fortex is resistant to rot, insect damage, and warping, meaning it will look great for years to come with minimal upkeep. Fortex is also available in two attractive styles, double shiplap and weatherboard, both featuring an eye-catching embossed wood effect finish. But just because Fortex is low maintenance doesn't mean it's not built to last. The Fortex cladding range is designed to withstand even the harshest weather conditions, providing a tough, durable barrier against the elements. And because Fortex is made from PVC, it's lightweight, making it easy to store, handle, and install. In fact, the weatherboard cladding weighs just 3.15 kilograms per 5-meter board, making it 4 times lighter than a fiber cement board. In addition to its practical benefits, Fortex also offers a sustainable solution for your building or renovation project. The Building Research Establishment's BRE, Green Guide to Specification, has given PVC cladding an A+ rating when installed with standard insulation components, meaning you can be confident you're making an environmentally responsible choice with Fortex. Installing Fortex cladding is a straightforward process. To clad an external wall, you need to attach battens to the wall and then fix the cladding to these battens. Fortex comes with everything you need to complete the job, and because it's so lightweight, it's easy to handle and install. And once installed, Fortex cladding will provide a durable, low-maintenance, and attractive exterior finish for your building or renovation project. If you're looking for a durable, low-maintenance, and attractive exterior cladding solution, look no further than Fortex by Freefoam.